Hey, I don't come again. No, it's your boy Soup, not the Ray, aka at the verse. Una know say, if at the verse, I dey talk anyhow. Today, I want to talk about 4 set of father, 4 set of men. Whether they see now, you know, say any small thing, I would say, why did they see sweet mother? I not go forget you. Why did not they see sweet father? Now I want to tell you now. Before I go start to talk, waiting I want talk for you to not coach me wrong. Let me command the father when we recognize as a father for the society. Now it be those men will be say they marry 10 years anniversary of marriage now, 20 years. They deal with their wife, their family, they together, or that good or bad, Gary or not. Those one now be the father. Now be the men when we know as a legitimate father. Now be all this one. And 2, it gets some father when be say they get wife for Nigeria. And they don't born condition come make them enter Libya road, come Europe, just to come find money. All those one are still father when we know. But I pray for una. God will give una the document and the money una they find so that una will go house, go greet una family. Amen. And third one, I want to talk about the men when they say they be men, when not rich men. I want to start for Nigeria. You don't marry. You go live for your mama, your papa, for village. You go de Benin, de Lagos or Abuja. Now, the reason why you know what carries out your wife and your family go follow body, go join yourself anywhere you dey. You say, I not feel for the stress, you. I not just need wahala, I don't need too much stress, I don't need noise. What thing they do now, I not just need noise. I want your day low. See, you don't know yourself. See, now so your papa they marry your mama. You will come marry, live your all the suffer where your mama, your papa suffer for your body. You can't reach your turn now to suffer. You come marry, still give your mama and your papa. Now then, cause they create the shit. They suffer. When they don't first suffer for your whole body, it's your turn now to suffer. Now you don't carry the children now. Give your mama, your wife, give your mama. You delegate now. Anytime when your pikin reach to senior, now you take the come village, go give Bele again. You go back again. Let me tell you. And now. Any small thing, now fed they talking. Don't you know I'm a married man? Let me shock you. You are a madman. You are not a man. You are not a man. See, the 4th one I want to talk about Europe. See, who say you let us say you don't reach to marry? Say if you don't marry now you will die, or if you don't marry now, something will happen to you. If you never reach to marry, just suffer rest. We don't know say you never marry. Say you are a single. We don't know you as a single father, as a single boy. Say you never marry. You not come make single women full everywhere. If person was serious for life won't marry now, they will come see the girl that won't marry. Will say I'm a married woman. Where your husband? You dey Italy. Where you dey? You dey Spain. You dey Germany or you dey France. What did they vex me now? You any small thing now? Now they say, don't you know I'm a father? I'm a father to 2 kids. Let me shock you. You are a failure because no be so that they father. Not so that they father you. What did they vex me? Your woman when you give Bele, you dey 1 month. You say now go Spain, Germany, France. Since when that your woman born, you never rob. They not see you, so that you go rob your wife Bele. Through there, your pikin will they feel your hand as a father. They will still born the pikin for good 1 year now. Your pikin never see you as a father. You never feel carry your pikin put for heart. Your pikin habit will beat with your habit. You go they feel and say, okay, this one is my father. They don't see you. The only place where your pikin they see you in a live video. Honey, where is Junior? Junior, come and look at your dad. See, you don't see anything. Your pikin they look you as drama. The way they look drama, they look at you for television. That's why they look you for live video. You can anybody say I'm a father. Okay, if you can say you be father, wait till we won't talk. Wait till all those men when don't do marriage for 10 years. You know what pass through the stress. Shit, when you don't create shit, when you don't change purpose, when you don't bath your pikin, when you don't help your wife, they don't see you. But anytime when you reach to born, you see that the woman will come meet you, come spend 1 month, you give another belly, don't come back again. Or you come meet her for 1 month, give another belly, you don't come out again. Because you don't want to take the headache, you don't want to suffer. All the suffer when your papa don't suffer for your head. You don't want to pass through those stress. You go there Italy, your pikin, your wife go there France, your wife go this Spain, they Germany. You will deploy say, I'm a father, you are a failure. Let me shock you, See, If to say they go see sweet father, now those days when our papa take care of us, now that they supposed sing sweet father, not be now. Because woman when carry pikin, in a train them since when they take born them 1 year. Tell me now, how you tell the father your father? How you tell the father your father? How you tell the father your father? See, this year, if you no carry that your wife go meet you, if you no carry your wife follow your body, go where you dey, or you go meet your wife anywhere she dey, if you no do it this year, I go no say, you no go get sense again. Because una no get sense. Any small thing I go say, the pikin, he like him mama pass me. Oh, how the pikin no go like him mama pass you? When be say the pikin no even see you, they even any small thing now, the pikin no even see you. As a father, the only person wey dey see na mama. I did not call say they no dey see sweet father na sweet mother they see. See, if you no get sense this year, you no go get sense again.
Thank you for the word so sweet.